This is for traffic officers and train ticket men. No one's making you fucking do that. Do you know that? I don't know how you sleep at night knowing all that you do all day is make people's days worse. And at no point is any governing body looking over you and saying, yes, you have to give this specific person a ticket. It's all you. You could choose to look the other way. You don't positively impact a single person's day. Not one. At least I don't like police officers, but at least they can say that they might have helped someone. You work for a fascist body, but it's okay because you might genuinely help someone out one day. But ticket men, I'm pretty convinced they've actually sold their souls. Not 1 ounce of humanity in their bodies, I swear to God.